I'll fix it here, and I got a new tool. So, I was just going to take this out of the box, and I thought, well, hey, maybe I should share it with you guys, and you can see what I got. I actually didn't buy this. A subscriber, who happens to also be live in the same neighborhood, gave this to me. That's awesome. Thank you all. I'm going to check it out. Stay with me. I'll show you what I got. Well, let's see. First of all, let's just check this out. You always see what the box says. It's workbench and scaffold, and it does folds up and all that. And look at that. It's got like electrical outlets and things in the side of it or something. So that could be kind of neat. Let's open it up and check it out. Hey, I just want to apologize to you guys for the crappy audio sounds of traffic noise. I live on a really busy street with lots of traffic and everything, and if you'll notice, I was actually wearing a microphone on my shirt there that should have overcame this problem, and I'm pretty sure it will, only it just wasn't hooked up, or you know, it's new to me and I don't know how to use it. And I'm learning, and yeah, I promise in the future I will get this figured out, and we'll try to get better audio in the future videos. But for right now, I like the in the moment type of audio, so I'm going to try to use and just continue with the traffic noise. So bear with me if you would, please, and we'll do the best we can. Okay. All right. One way with the black part up like that, and then that's for standing on, like for scaffolding or something. And then we flip it around, we have the other parts. Let's see what that's like. Let's see how that works. It's got a handle on each side. Some adjustments here. Oh yeah. Oh, look at that. Yeah. Oh, there it is. That one was a little stiff to be pulling out there. Supposed to come any further? No, I think that's it. That's as far as that goes. Let's see. Yeah. Let's check out this one. Yeah, let's see. Like a folding table deal, huh? I suppose I'll have to read the instructions. That would be awful. Wait, I see something I know what to do with. Look at there. Alright. This. Oh yeah. It's a wobbly. That's what it does. Yeah, that's what it does. Well, that stiffened it up a lot. Look at that. Much more stable now. And I'm on uneven ground, but that's pretty solid there. That's pretty neat. Yeah, feels pretty good. Now I got this little brace thing on. Well, here, let me bring you up closer where you can see what's on the top here. Yeah, look at there. It's got all this, you know, angles and stuff for me, for making stuff. And then on each side is the, like a tape measure here in inches and stuff. And then, like I say, over here on the side here, it looks like a reset button. You can plug a extension cord in here, and then you got three outs coming out. Yeah. Well, hey, that's pretty cool. Now, here's the problem with workbenches. They get all cluttered up really bad. And you know what's good about this one? Well, if I'm done with it and I fold it back up, it won't get all cluttered because it's not up all the time. Yeah, what a good idea. How much trouble is it to break it down? Let me check. I guess the first thing I want to do is take these off. Okay, I see how that works. Okay. Alright. Hang of this. Alright, alright. Probably I just go like this. You can shorten the legs, I'm guessing. I'll just shorten the legs now. Just fold this, I guess. Okay, it folds over this way. That makes it pretty good. Let's see how this works. Okay. Well, that's I don't know, it's a pretty neat bench. We'll have to try it for a while and see how we like it. But if you like it, hey, if you order one on Amazon, go to my link, I'll leave in the bottom, and use my link to buy it, or anything else you want on Amazon, and it'll help me a little bit without any extra cost to you. Hey, this is Al Fix It, you know, coming at you. Y'all like and subscribe and check it out. In the future, you'll see. I'll start doing some projects on this bench. Maybe we'll see. We'll try it. See what happens. In the meantime, thanks to my subscriber Roth who gave it to me. All right. Thanks a lot, guys. We'll see you next time. Adios. Ciao.